Today we will study about the matters. That is the first chapter of your physics book. So before starting the chapter, as I told you that in class 6 you are introduced to some new subjects like biology, physics, chemistry, geography, history. So before starting the chapter, you should know that which chapter deals with what. Here you can see in this picture that physics is the subject that deals with energy and matter. There are some different parts here like heat, light, force, magnetism, inertia, friction, gravity, sound, electronics, electricity, atoms. These kinds of things we read in our physics book. So basically फिजिक्स वो चीज़ें पढ़ाता है हमको जिनमें लाइफ नहीं होता है. इस द डिस्कशन अबाउट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, द एनर्जीज, द हीट, दैट ऑल थिंग विल स्टडी इन आवर फिजिक्स बुक. नाउ what is matter? Matter is a substance that has a mass and it occupies space. Anything can be defined as mass when it कुछ चीज़ जो है उसका एक मास होता है और वो एक स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करता है. That is called a matter. All the matters are some same characteristics in them, like solid, liquid और gas. These are the three states of matter. लेकिन इन सारे states में कुछ common चीज़ें होता है. वही common चीज़ें अभी हम discuss करेंगे. Like characteristics of particles of matter. Everything around us is made up of tiny pieces or particles. The particles that make up matter are atoms, ions or molecules. The particles of matter are very small, very small. They are microscopic actually. Number 2, the particles of the matter have space between them. These spaces are called interparticular space. Number 3, the particles of matter are constantly moving. मतलब ये constant movement में रहते हैं, एक जगह पे steady नहीं रहते हैं. पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर. अभी ये जो मूवमेंट में पार्टिकल्स रहते हैं ये एक दूसरे को अट्रैक्ट भी करते हैं, कभी कभी एक दूसरे के करीब आके एक दूसरे को धक्का भी देते हैं. सो दैट फोर्स दैट इट क्रिएट्स, द फोर्स दैट attracts the molecules one another, that is called interparticle attraction. Now there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. In this picture you can see there are different arrangement of particles in this picture. First, solid. This picture showing us that the particles are arranged very tightly. They don't have space between them. इनमें space बहुत negligible होता है. Atoms एकदम एक के बाद एक packed होते हैं. इनके बीच में interparticular space नहीं के बराबर होता है. In liquid, यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है हम लोगों को कि इसमें particles के बीच में थोड़ा थोड़ा space है. There are interparticle space in between this particle. So this particle can move. As they have space in between them, they can move, they can flow. एक के ऊपर से एक फ्लो होके जा सकता है, इसीलिए लिक्विड जो है वो फ्लो करता है. एंड एज दे हैव स्पेस इन बिटवीन देम दे कैन बी कंप्रेसेबल. क्योंकि स्पेस है तो एटम्स को हम कंप्रेस करके थोड़ा छोटा जगह पे ला सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ गैस इज द थर्ड स्टेट ऑफ द मैटर. In this picture you can see there are really large spaces in between the particles, so they can very easily compressible and they can flow also because they have the spaces. Now another interesting cheese about this gas is it take over the whole container it have. अभी कुछ भी एक कंटेनर में, एक छोटे कंटेनर में, एक बड़ा कंटेनर में अगर हम गैस को रखेंगे तो ये पार्टिकल्स फैल के पूरा उस जगह को ही कवर कर लेगा. जो भी हम बर्तन घर पे बोलते हैं ना खाली है, कंटेनर खाली है, एक्चुअली दैट इज़ नॉट फुल्ली वैकेंट. दे हैव गैस इन देम. सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सॉलिड यू कैन से मेटल, वुड, प्लास्टिक. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लिक्विड you can say like water, oil, honey. And example of gas, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. These are the examples of these three states of matter. So these three states जो है इन लोगों को convert भी किया जा सकता है. States of matter can be convert to each other, like solid से liquid to gas ऐसे convert भी होता है. Like बहुत ही एक easy example है water. Water क्या होता है? Water को हम अगर freeze करते हैं so that goes to a solid form ice. In normal temperature it comes to its liquid form normal water, and when we heat it vaporizes and it is the gaseous state of the water, the vapor. So these things are in the first chapter, and there are some difference between them. What are the difference in between the solid, liquid and gas? First, solid have a definite shape, definite volume, but liquid has a definite volume but it can take shape of the container, तो इसका definite shape नहीं होता है. Gases neither have a definite shape not a definite volume. It fill up the space available. Now interparticular force of attraction is so strong in the solid. It is less than solid and more than gases in the liquid and less than solid and gases in the थर्ड स्टेट. और मीन गैस में सॉलिड से लिक्विड से भी बहुत ही इंटरपार्टिकुलर अट्रैक्शन कम होता है. इंटरपार्टिकुलर स्पेस. इन सॉलिड द पार्टिकल्स आर क्लोजली पैक्ड. In liquid, it is loosely packed and compared to solid, and in gases, very loosely packed. As we told earlier, that gas and liquid can flow, but solid cannot flow. So this is your chapter. If you have any queries about this chapter, you can comment in the comment box. So that's all for the first chapter.